Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So this morning we are in Zion National Park with a little bit of disappointment. We wanted to do the Narrows hike, but there's flash flood warning and the water is pretty murky, so yeah, you don't have that clear view. Do you want to walk in the murky water?
Yeah.
You want to walk in that murky water?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So the water is dirty, pretty dirty. You know, like when them say a Jamaica river run over, something like that. So the water is pretty dirty. So, and the hike, you have to walk in the river between the canyons. So I think I'm gonna put up a picture on the screen, maybe from Google or something, so you could see. But we're not gonna get that clear water look. So we're just gonna get some breakfast right now and then do some other hikes in the park, take the shuttle bus around the park and stop at some scenic overlook. All right, so sorry you guys can't get to see us do the Narrows. All right, stay tuned.
It's time.
Welcome back. We're following developing news out of Zion National Park, where the search for a missing person continues following last night's flash flooding.
News specialist Kara Bracken is in southern Utah talking to family and friends who say their loved one is still missing.
After hiking through the Narrows, this is where Jatal's friends said they wanted to meet up in the visitor center parking lot. So when that didn't happen and she didn't show up around their meeting time, that's when they called for help.
Wanted to head out today.
Not before the grad student friends could squeeze in one last adventure together.
We wanted to do the Narrows.
That was the plan. But plans changed. Hearing word of a flash flooding, Mustafa says they talked together about what they should do, eventually deciding they would hang back, Jatal going in on her own.
Oh my God.
A safe enough bet, given her knowledge on water, is strong, with a background as a student studying hydrology.
And now I wish that I could ask her to not go. Yeah.
The search for both a friend and a sister.
She cannot swim. With the flowing, gushing water and all the debris and whatever it was in the water, I mean, I hope she's okay.
Hanging on to the life raft of hope. Along with her backpack, her friends say rangers found that she is also somewhere on the other side of the river.
Still, I can't imagine that something is happening to her, and I'm very hopeful that she can make. She's a good fighter. I mean, she's one of the most strong girls that I have ever seen in my life. I mean, I'm really sure that she can fight with that river and she will make it out.
The park says they're going to continue to search the Narrows as well as the Virgin River. Now, if you are planning to visit the Zion area, you need to know that the Narrows as well as the Riverside Walk, those areas are going to be closed while this search and rescue is going on. For now, reporting in Zion, I'm Kara Bracken for KSL 5 News.
All right, so let me show you the water that we would have to hike through, because we had a flood yesterday. So the water is pretty murky, man, and it's a beautiful lake, me I'm telling you, man. Beautiful lake. Here's the water. Look upon that, the dirty water there, like Bagwalk River run down.
Don't this my place.
Bagwalk like Akazal big river run down. Man, that's what I have to walk through. Dirty.
That's good, isn't it?
Okay, so let's go then. And we'll beard. I said, come we go then and we'll just beard. Yeah, so we're gonna start off the day at Watchman Trail. Do a little hike. See what it's like over there, you know. Watchman Trail. I guess those are the other scenic route then. Yep. Making our way up the trail. Morning. Still making our way up the trail, going up and up and up. I found you!
You were searching?
Yeah.
People, the most
Easy hike, easy hike. All in our is easy. So we just made it to the end of the trail. I mean, just look at these views. Look at these views. Yeah, so that was some beautiful views. We're making our way back down to the bottom now, and then we're going to go on another trail, I think Emerald something, and see how it is. All right, I think I'll put that in a separate video to not make it too long. But all right, you know, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. You know, yeah, a few more national parks to go. 4 more to go. So like I said, we're doing the Mighty 5 in Utah. So that's Zion National Park, where we are right now. Then you have Arches National Park, Bryce Canyon National Park, Canyon Reef National Park, no, Capitol Reef National Park, and Canyonland National Park. So we're going to do all 5. All right, so I'll make a separate video for each. All right, bless up.